Hey guys, in this video I wanted to show you how to make a basic star ornament using a square knot. In this project we will need a cotton yarn, ring, or you can use a metal one as well, whichever one you prefer, scissors, comb or brush, two types of glue, regular fabric one and the spray. Okay, first we want to cut 15 pieces of the yarn. Each one should be 20 inches. It can be even shorter, but I just in case I give myself a room. Okay, just like I have here, 15 pieces folded into half, and a wooden ring that is about an inch. Then we want to check for the first step. We want to take one folded strap. We want to check the ends, they should match, and then we want to pull from the back of the ring the two, and we want to check again the ends, and then pull it through the loop. Make sure it's tight in here, both sides, and that's how it looks like. Let's do another one. Check the ends. Pull through the ring. Pull through the loop. And make sure it's tight in here. This is how it looks like. Okay, let's finish this step all through the ring, and I will meet you there. Hey guys, I'm back, and the first step is done, and here how it looks like a sun. And because star has 5 angles, we want to divide our 15 folded straps into 5. That brings us to 3 of each part. We want to separate them like that. Here we go. That's what you're gonna have. Then we want to start. Next step is I'm gonna show you how to make a square knot. You want to take one part and separate the last straps to your left and to your right. And the left one goes on top and on top of the rest, and the right one goes top of this and all underneath the rest, and then through the left strap. Okay, then we want to tighten it. Okay, so that was the first half of the square knot, and then to finish it up we want to start now from the right one that goes on the top, and then bring the left one. Now the left one goes underneath of the rest, and right here, and here we're gonna finish our first square knot. make sure it's tight again in here, tight enough, and looks good. That's your first square knot. Let's make another one because we need 2 on each part. Okay, underneath, like that. Okay, and finish up the second one. Okay, so that was our second step. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of the parts, and I will meet you again. We are at final step of our star. This is what we have at this point. And what we want to do now is to bring together like so the straps, so we make 5 angles, the star, like that. And we want to finalize our ornament with 1 complete square knot. Make sure it's tight enough because it's a closing and you want to have it sturdy. Okay, and done. Okay, this is how your first angle of the star is going to look like. We're gonna do the rest the same way, just 1 complete square knot, and then here on top you want to bring the inner straps together, and you want to make a knot, so it's going to be your hanging part. After that, you want to cut the angles, brush them the length you pick yourself, whichever way you like it, and then you want to brush them. Before doing so, or even after that, that's how your final ornament is going to look like. And you can do it before cutting or after cutting, and take a glue and apply some in here and here and across all of the straps, and the same thing I would do on the back. And then you would want to leave it to dry, and when it's dry, for the final touch, I would suggest to take a spray glue and put your ornament flat on flat surface, and then spray it on one side and spray it on the other side. That way, when your star is hanging, it looks nicely on the tree or on your garland maybe. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by leaving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a bit. And I will see you in my next video.